Here in Tucson, bicycling is really a way of life. So if you're going to be bringing a lot of stuff with you, you're going to want some sturdy bike bags. And this Pannier is 100% waterproof. Now in the desert, we don't have to worry about that too often, but you never want to have to worry about dust and dirt when you're biking. This one has these really clever attachment points, so you can hook it right up to your rack. It's going to have a bottom adjustable as well. It has a durable bottom plate. The bag is completely waterproof, as you see, and it's like a dry sack in that it rolls up and then clips with these clips on the edges. When you're carrying it, if you want to carry it like a satchel, you've got a handle up top, super rugged. All of this is with a very lightweight material, so it's both waterproof, rugged, looks good, and doesn't weigh too much. So great, durable option for a bicycle. Hope this helps.